Hi everyone, I am Shivang from MailsDaddy. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add a user in Office 365 using the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Whether you are managing a small business or a large team, this is something you will need to do often, and it's really simple. So let's start it. Go to adminmicrosoft.com. Then log in with your administrator credential. Once you are on the dashboard, click on Admin. And you look at the left hand menu, click on users and then click on active users. Now click on add users button at the top and you will see a new window will open where you will need to fill out all the users first name, last name and user's name. This username will be used for signing into Office 365 services. And next, set the user's password. You can let Office 365 generate one automatically, or you can create a password manually. So there is also an option to require the users to change the password when they first sign in, which is recommended. After that, you will need to assign a license. Choose the correct Microsoft 365 license based on what service this user will need, like Outlook, Teams or OneDrive. You can also assign admin role if this person needs a special permission. Then finally, review all the information and click Finish Adding. You will see a confirmation page with the user's login details. You can copy them, download them or email them directly to the users. And that's it. Your new user has been added to Office 365. Now we are going to verify whether the user are created or not. You will see that user successfully created. Now we are going to understand about how to add multiple users in Microsoft 365 using the Admin Center. This is really useful when you are onboarding a group of employees or setting up a new department. And actually it's faster than adding them one by one. So at the top you will see that add multiple users. Click on add multiple users. Now you will see a page where you can download a CSV file format template. Click on download a blank CSV file or download a sample CSV file to see the correct format. The file includes columns like first name, last name, username, display name and many more. So open the CSV file in Excel and enter the details for each user you want to add. Go back to the admin center and click browse and upload your completed CSV file. The system will validate the file. If there are any error, it will let you know what needs to be fixed. After the upload, you will be asked to assign license to all the users at once. So select the appropriate Microsoft 365 plan, click on next and then add users. And that's all. All your users will be created in bulk. This saves a lot of time during onboarding for more quick Office 365. That's it. Thank you so much.